there, this is Marissa, and today I have a new Watch Me DigiScrap video. In this video, I am using the Get Outside collection from Dunia Designs, and I'm just starting here picking out some pocket cards that I want to use to fill in some of my empty spaces. And so this is, I am doubling up this week as I do occasionally throughout the year. So I just have I have week 4 here on one spread and week 5 on the other. I do this because I know at the end of the year I can only have 100 pages because the photo book company that I work with, the max pages is 100, and I don't like having to do more than one book per year. So if I double up a couple weeks like this throughout the year, then it will fit in nicely in my book. And as you can see, there weren't that many photos in either of these weeks, so smushing them together like this wasn't an issue. So I have been adding the papers in the background. I've just put in some pocket cards and some word art in just so I knew what I wanted to have in those spaces so I could match the papers behind them. And once I get my papers in place, I will start adding in elements. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.